simple exhaust mod. Oh, let me get down here. You got this bolt right here. This is a, what is this? 12 millimeter front and back. You don't have to take it off. It does make it easier to take it off, but you don't have to. Main thing is the heat shield. Heat shield. Just pretty much just one Allen. That's both set I got, but anyways. So taking it off, it's hard to do with my phone. Pretty much just this one little screw here to get where you need to be at. Oh, came out. No, just that one. You also have right here. There's two little tabs that help. Which one of mine's already came out, but it helps it from flopping around, I guess you can say. And then to take it off, don't pull it. Push it towards the front of the bike, just like that. These two tabs is what I'm talking about, that one and that one. Be careful not to bend them more. They're going to be at an angle. If they're straight, you need to bend them back out. If you do decide, sorry, someone's cutting grass. So if you do take this off, it slides towards the rear of your bike. But also, there's also one bolt right here. It will make it easier to take it completely off, but you don't have to, as you see right here. I think it'd be easier just to leave it on, just to save you some time. But that is the hole. Now it's best to get like a screwdriver or something to just to get you a little line or a dot started, because this is what you're going to use. It's a hole tap, and pretty much once you get in, you put it on a drill and you drill out your hole. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. I can show you. Let me slide everything out of the way. So, don't drill right here, because that is, it's your exhaust going to your bike. If you ever wanted to reverse this process, now you can add it back with maybe someone that could weld, but replacing the actual exhaust is maybe $100-ish. But if you did this right here on this side from this little flange forward, replacing that will probably be a whole lot more expensive. So this right here connects from this spot. It's the clamp that holds it on. From here back, like I said, if you want to revert back, you can get someone to weld it back on or replace the whole thing for about $100. So it's cheaper to do it this way instead of trying to ruin this, because this is your actual exhaust, so you don't want to do that. I mean, not exhaust, but goes straight to the headers. Just pop it goes to your headers. So remember, from this flange back, completely fine. I did remove the baffles inside. I can't show you that because the baffles are way up here, and to me, it didn't change the sound as I wanted it to. So technically, what I did right here was pretty much just bypass this. This right here is just about 90% just visual. Most of my exhaust sound comes from here. So technically, straight pipes. But from the research I have done, there is a catalytic converter here and the O2 sensor is before the cat, so it won't make your bike run more lean or hurt or damage anything. So pretty much, if you want to do it the simple way, you just need one little Allen for your screw that holds the heat shield on. Oh, let me back up. Your heat shield on, which is backwards. Yeah, heat shield on. And just it slides this way off. Same way when you go put it back on, it slides that way on. Again, with your little mountain tabs, they can be kind of annoying putting back on. I'll give you an exhaust note. Cold start. Oh, actually, I wrote it about an hour ago. Cold start. And I will actually, when I start it, I'll cover those up so you can actually hear the exhaust if I cup it with my hand to kind of block it. But here you go. Pretty simple. You don't have to be mechanically inclined to do any of these. The Allen pack, this is part of a tool kit. Now you can get the whole set for probably like a couple $. But I bought a roadside assistant kit, all metric for, you know, working on the bike, which actually just comes with my regular tool kit, but this still has 12mm if you want to take off the whole exhaust. Not necessary. Makes it a little bit easier, but nothing crazy. And this from Lowe's, little hole tap. This is 1 inch diameter hole. You can go bigger, but I don't think you need to. This was about $4. Yeah, $4, I believe. You need a standard drill, any kind of like drill, electric electric or battery powered, doesn't matter. And once you tap a little ding, little hole, little dot, because if you try not to, this is going to slide all over the place. So right there, and then just drill, and boom, see, perfect fit. And when you pull it out, it's going to have the little piece of metal right there. You can just discard it or save it if you want to like try to repair it later. I don't know. Hopefully this helps. If you'd like to see the other mods that I've done aside from that one cheaply, I added these little saddlebags, hard case. This panel is white. I bought spray paint to kind of match the bike pretty much. I sanded it down and painted them. I bought these on eBay for like $4, little Honda emblems that go back with it. They also come with taillights, which is great. I haven't wired them up yet. That floorboard, Kyrgyzstan floorboards, however you want to call them, I don't know. Reflective rim tape, but you can't see it. That's like $30. Custom tailored 33 rim tape. I suggest that if you do any kind of night riding. Super simple. Makes the bike look good. I'll go around and let you see it. Oh, I just kicked my little thing. I'll go around. Oh, my custom Corbin seat. Highly suggest this is a low profile one. They got their standard profile. I did the red with the red stitching. Corbin. Good company for custom seats. But you know, make your bike how you want it, and that is how it looks. Pretty good. I like this bike. Alright, so hopefully that little small video helps you. Anything. Like I said, these are on eBay. If you would like them, yeah, the mounts, not perfect. It's not like the Honda bags, but overall results, you know, looks wise, very nice bags. Got the lock and key. Got your standard little cell phone mount if you would like that. I think it's like 20 bucks on Amazon. I don't know. It's probably got better ones. I believe that's pretty much it that I've added to the bike. I would highly suggest if you do, well, aside from, I know the whole video is about the exhaust mod, but if you do this, your floorboards, these right here, now some people don't like how they look, but my opinion is, I'm 6'2", 220-pound guy. With the standard pegs, my legs were a little bit too long, so you got like different adjustments. I don't know if I can show you that or not. Barely. The holes right there. You can go front and back three different areas, and upper and lower. So you can adjust them. It's got pretty good adjustment to it. And I would suggest those. They're like 120 for those, and you gotta buy this little spline adapter because it connects to these spline adapter. Pretty simple also. Anything that I've added to this bike, you don't have to be mechanically inclined by no means. You just have to have the time to do it. So, yeah, there you go. Hopefully everything that I just showed you helps. And again, simple thing, just one Allen wrench. Socket if you prefer to go that route. Socket is something to hold the backside too, because you can't, it'll spin if you don't. So both are 12 millimeters. I did the first time, not necessary though. And again, watch out for your tabs. And if you're curious of why my exhaust is black compared to the chrome, again, I just sanded it down with, I think it was like 220 grit sandpaper. To scuff up the chrome, because you know paint don't stick to chrome, obviously, because my little dust shield here is also scratching it, but it's behind the dust shield. And then painted it with some flat black paint. Yes, it's got some oil there, but that's from my fingerprints and stuff. And the damage here is from previous owner, but that's cool. Whatever. All right. So I hope that helped you. Hopefully, anything I just told you gave you some ideas, or you know, whatever. So, hey, have a good day.